How to add photos in different shapes to your Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram app. So let's go to our story. We have to click on the plus icon from the right top corner. So you can just click here and then go to story, or you can just go to home, and from here you can swipe just like this. So from here you want to select a nice background. So go to upload, and then from here choose your background. So I will go to this one, and from here you want to go to stickers, then scroll down, and next to camera we have this icon which is plus. So here we will select the photos that we want them to be in different shapes. So click on that and then select your photos. You can select one photo or two or three, how many you want. So I will first go with this one. So now if you want it to be in a different shape, you just have to tap on the photo just like this. So this photo I will leave it like this, and from here you can make it smaller, and then you can place it where you want. So now go again to stickers and then click this plus icon next to countdown, below countdown, and then select another photo if you want. Make it smaller or bigger and change its shape. So if you want to add another photo, just click on the sticker and then click on the plus icon and select your final photo. So you can leave this you can leave it like this. I will make it heart shape, and this one I will make it a square. And then once you are done with it, you can click on send to, and then go to your story and hit on share. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.